नमस्ते दोस्तों, आज की इस वीडियो में आप देखने वाले हैं रोहन और निशा की रियल कॉलेज लाइफ इंग्लिश कन्वर्सेशन। ये सिर्फ एक बातचीत नहीं बल्कि आपकी स्पोकन इंग्लिश को बदलने वाला जादू है। अगर आप इंग्लिश में कॉन्फिडेंट फील नहीं करते, ज्यादातर सेंटेंसेस याद नहीं रहते, ग्रामर को लेकर कंफ्यूज रहते हैं, तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए ही बना है।
Hey Nisha. You look deep in thought.
Oh, hi Rohan. Just thinking about the science project.
Did Professor Sharma explain the requirements?
Yes, but I'm confused about the experiment setup.
I can show you my notes.
That'd be amazing. You always organize so well.
Thanks. Want to work together after class?
Definitely. Library at 4 p.m.?
Perfect. Bring your laptop and the lab manual.
Should I prepare any materials in advance?
Just the chemical list, I'll handle equipment. Deal. By the way, your presentation today was brilliant. See, it's about reaction rates.
Okay, explain this formula to me.
Exactly. Remember last week's demo with dry ice?
Oh. So temperature affects it exponentially?
Me too. Now, for our project.
That fog explosion? I jumped so high.
Smart. Like pollution control solutions.
Should we focus on environmental applications?
Great idea. I'll draft the methodology tonight.
Yes. We can reference the Ganga cleanup study.
Share the link.
I'll research case studies. Found an amazing journal.
3D models. I know Blender software.
Sending now. What about visuals? Seriously? You're full of surprises.
This could win the innovation contest.
We haven't discussed prizes yet.
Trip to Singapore for the science fair, right?
Imagine presenting there.
First, let's ace the prototype. Lab time tomorrow.
10 a.m.? I'll book slot B with Mr. Kapoor.
Bring safety goggles, I'll get the chemicals.
Rohan, what if we fail?
We won't. Your research plus my tech equals unstoppable.
Thanks. I needed that.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Coffee after lab? My treat for your help.
Only if you try my mom's cookies later.
Don't forget the ammonium solution.
Is that a bribe? Deal. Winks, by Nisha.